Welcome to the channel again. Today we're going to replace our AC compressor. This is a Mercedes ML350. So you get it out like that. This is a Mercedes. Is a 2013. As you can see right here is a V6. So today we're going to replace our AC compressor. So for those ones who might not know where it is, when you come straight right over here, this is where our compressor is. So first things first, we have to suck out our freon. And then once the freon is out of the way, and then we can begin the procedure of replacement. I know many of you might not be able to have AC center, which is able to suck out the AC freon. So I will be suggesting maybe you take it to a mechanic, and then they suck it out for you. And then when that is done, then you can begin the procedure for removal. So my case today, I'm going to be using Snap-on. This is a Cool K Plus to do the recovery. What I like about this Mercedes, unlike other Mercedes where they have the high end over here next to the fender, what happens is this one is just in the high end is just right here inside, and then the low end is just right over here. So it's really easy to mount them. So you make sure it locks good. You do the same too for this side. So you make sure it's all locked well. And then I'll proceed with recovery. So as the system is recovering the freon, so I like to continue. I'll just remove this cover right here to just give me enough space where I'm supposed to work with. And then down there we have our belt. It's a tensioner. So we have to take it out, so we can take out the belt so that our AC compressor is going to be without something holding like a belt. So we can continue with the procedures after the completion of the sucking of the freon. So the tools you will need for this procedure, you will need a 45, is the Torx 45. You'll need a 17 millimeter, which is a socket, and then you'll need a E12. Just like this. I prefer a long one because the rear one is going to be a bit longer, or you might need an extension. And then you will need finally a ratchet, and then you may need this or you may not need it, just for removing the connector, but you may not need it, so it's not really necessary. So these are the basic ones you'll need, and then you can proceed with the work. So to get the belt off, you'll need a 17 millimeter. There's a socket to just go right in there. Just show it more. You go in right here, and then you turn it out. So let's proceed. So once this is out of the way like that, what you do, you just take out this belt out of right there. Then you can release that. The belt is out, and then so once that is done, our AC compressor is free from the belt. So we'll continue with this once this freon has been sucked out. So finally the system has been recovered completely and successfully. Also be careful, there's this plastic thing here. Don't sometimes it's known to break, so be careful when you're removing this right here from there. Alright, once that's the one out of the way, right here, this is a Torx 45. Alright, so once you just open it just lightly, it's going to come up all the way just like that, and then you can just open the rest from right here. Alright, so another important thing to do is you have to compare both of them, so you can tell, but from what I'm seeing right here, they look to be the same size. So if I mix them, so it shouldn't have a problem when I'm putting them back. So I have to put it in a safe place, and I can continue. I remove this right here. This is the low end. I put it down right here, and then I remove this one too on this other side, and then I can just put it on this side. So I have enough space to continue with the process. So what I do next is I have to take out this connector right here, which comes right over here. I'll show you in a moment how it comes out. Alright. So this is where our flat is going to come handy. So just right over here, you just unclip. Once you unclipped it right here, you just pull it to the back like that, and then this thing is going to come out. So literally guys, I think I mentioned something earlier about removing this. I don't think this is necessary, so this will remain. You can put this one back. This is remaining right here. So once this comes out of the way, we can just put it on the side, and then we can proceed with the last step, which is to remove this right here. This is an E12. There's one down below here, and then there's one behind right over there. So let me take you through the process. So for this part, I always like to begin from the rear, and then I go down, and then this one right here will be the last one, because I can access this when I'm removing this thing. Because once you remove this one, this thing is going to come out. So it's good when you're taking it to be the last one, and then this procedure will be easier. Alright, let's begin. Alright, that one is loose. So I got the one below right here. So that one is loose, and then I just have to loosen this, the last one. And then once this is done, I can just use an electric gun to get it out. Space is too little, so I'll see if I can shorten this tool and be able to access it. Alright, so just like that, the inner one is out, so you can put it on the side. And then we can go to the one below right here. I get that like that, it should be able to come out. So apparently this one has a ground on it, so when you're putting it back later on, make sure this ground right here, make sure the ground also is attached to it before you put it in. This is the lower one. then I can leave this on here on the ground so that we don't forget later on. And then the last one, which is the top one right here, you can just remove this from here. So you can do it while holding it. So I'll try as much as possible to hold it. Don't want it to fall down. Alright, I think I can get this from here. So literally I can just it's much easier the gun. Well, I think my battery's dead, so I can just end up finishing this with my hand right here. Anyway, it's already open, so there we go. Alright, this is the last one, and then our AC compressor is out. So you can see right here, so you can just take it out from right over here. So you can either take out from right here, or you can take out from right here. So I'm just going to take out from right over here. So this is our AC compressor. But be careful when you're getting it out. Don't break anything in the way. Careful about that. Make sure it just comes clean, so you get it out like that. Alright, so here is our AC compressor. So that's how easy it is to remove the AC compressor. To put it back, guys, you do the same. You just get it through here, you put it right there, you connect the balls, you don't forget the ground, and then guys, you connect it, you put it on these AC compressor lines, the AC lines, and then you put back the Freon, and then you got a working car. Alright, if you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section, and please like and subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next video.